Hello dears, in this class we have to find the values of m from these equations. We can see that it is an exponential equation. Exponential equation is the equation in which variable occurs in the exponents. So this is an exponent which is a variable. So it is an exponential equation. Let's start the questions. First, solution here. Okay, so 3 power m is minus 2 power m is equal to 65. We can write it as 3 power m and its power 2 by 2 and 2 power m whole power 2 by 2 is equal to 65. So yes, we can see that we wrote this power 2 by 2. It doesn't affect the questions because we take square and at the same time we divide by the same number 2. So it doesn't affect on the question. So now we can write it as m. This 2 will be in the denominator of m and this 2 will be here and 2 power same here m power over 2 and here power 2 will be okay. So it's 65. So yes, now we have to let this will be equal to a 3 power m by 2 and this will be equal to b and 2 power m by 2. Dears, this equation will be called equation number 1. So dears, now we have to use these values in equation 1. So it will be, this will be a, okay, a power 2 and minus this is b equal to b, so b this square here and 65. Okay, so now yes, we know that this is a formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b and into a minus b. Okay, now factors of this will be 13 cross 5. Okay, yes, we can write it as 5 cross 13. In both ways, this question will be solved. Okay, yes. Now this factor will be equal to this and this factor will be equal to this second 5. So now from these equations a plus b is equal to 13. Okay, and a minus b is equal to 5. A minus b is equal to 5. So dears, we can say this is an equation number 1, this will be 2, okay, and this equation will be 3. So dears, now we have to add these equations. Okay, so now a plus b is equal to 13 and a minus b is equal to 5. A minus b is equal to 5. Oh, sorry dears. A minus b is equal to 5. Okay. Now dears, we have to add these both equations. A plus a is equal to 2a. This plus b minus b will be cancelled and 13 plus 5 will be 18. Okay. So now divide by 2 in both sides. Okay dears, a will be 2 9s are 18. 2 and this will be cancelled. So value of a will be here, a is equal to 9. Okay, so now dears, we have to use this value a is equal to 9 in equation number 1 or in equation number 3. Sorry, this is an equation number 2 and this is an equation number 3. In these equations or in this equation we have to use. So yes, we use a is equal to 9 in equation number 2. Okay. Use in equation 2. Okay, so a will be 9 plus b is equal to 13. Okay dears, now yes, we have to subtract 9 in both sides. Okay. Okay, yes, this will be cancelled and the value of b will be 13 minus 9 will be 4. Okay, yes, we have found value of a and value of b. Now yes, we can find value of m from these equations or from this equation. So yes, we can use any one from these two equations. So now a is equal to 9, so we have to put this 9 in that equations. Okay, 9 is equal to 3 power m by 2. Okay dears, now we have to solve these equations. So dears, we can write 9 as 3 power 2 is and 3m by 2. Okay, now we have to remove this. For removing this, we will take square on both sides. Okay, this will be square and this will also be square. Okay, m by 2 and power will be 2. Okay, these twos are 4 and these 2 will be cancelled and okay, now this will be, now we can see that these bases are same, so their exponents are also will be equal or same. So 4 is equal to m, it is the value of our requirements which is present in the question. Yes, we have found the values of m. So in this question we have to find this value. So we have found this values. Now dears, we have to check this value is correct or incorrect. So for this we have to put these values in equation number this. So dears, now for checking we remove from here. Okay dears. Now we can checking. We can write this as checking. Okay, checking. Okay dears, now we have to put value of m which is 4 in this equation. So now dears, 3 power m which is 4 and minus 2 power m which is 4 is equal to 65. Here dears, I want to say that if you didn't subscribe our channel, so please subscribe the channel and like, share this video to your lovers and your relatives. So dears, we have to solve this. Will be 3 cross 3 cross 3 cross 3 will be 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 23s are 81 and minus 2, 2 2s are 2 cross 2 cross 2 cross 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Okay, so dears, now we have to subtract this and so it will be 65. Dears, we can see that these both sides are equal, so it's mean our value of m is correct. So dears, it was an important question which we solved here. So dears, we will meet in the next video. Take care of yourself and your lovers and your relatives. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.